Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hi guys, magandang hapon sa lahat. At kamusta? Anong ginagawa natin ngayong hapon? Sana nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan. Kasi simula ako lang mag-live, no? First time. Sana mas magmahal. At sa susunod nating live,